Attention wrestling fans, Combat Zone Wrestling returns to the Flyer Skate Zone on Saturday, October the 12th at 7:30 p.m. with Cerebral live on CZWIPPV.com. In the main event, the Bulldozer, Matt Tremont, squares off with Joe Gacy inside the House of Horrors. For complete information and how you can purchase tickets, please visit czwrestling.com. Combat Zone Wrestling, it's like nothing else.
December 8th, 2012 was the last time Matt Tremont was relevant in the Combat Zone. The last time I was relevant in this building here in Flyer Skate Zone in Voorhees, when I was standing on top the cage of death, looking down upon my brothers and sisters and looking down upon a dead DJ Hyde. That was the last time that these fans remembered me doing anything of any relevance in the Combat Zone. Because 2013, personally and professionally, hasn't been my year. And quite frankly, it's eating at me and eating at me and eating at me, and quite frankly, I can't take it anymore. And the thorn in my side has been a man, and his name is Joe Gacy. And since the anniversary show in February, he has been that very thorn in my side. We have come to blows, we have gone at it time and time again. He left me laying in a pool of my own blood in Secaucus, New Jersey. 6-man tags, 4-ways, 3-way dances, it doesn't matter. He has had my number time and time again. Well, tonight, what happened in that ring was what I told everybody was going to happen sooner or later, and it's what I told myself when I was going to do when I walked into this building tonight. And I was going to get the match that I want, get the match that I deserve. Because not only do I need it for my psyche to continue on here in this business, I need it every day. Because every day I live my life in horror. Every day I have to worry about one man and one man only, and his name is Joe Gacy. I did what I did tonight to get what I wanted to get, and that's what I got. And on October 12th, Cerebral Combat Zone returns to the Skate Zone. And for the last 9 to 10 months, my life has been a house of horrors, and that's what the Skate Zone will become on October 12th. Because it's going to be me and you, Joe, in the main event, in an ultra-violent house of horrors. And the envisionments in my dreams and the envisionments in my mind that I've dealt with for the past some odd months will come to fruition, and will come to a realization in the middle of that ring while we were surrounded by all the ultra-violent weapons, because I am salivating at the fingertips for violence, because I haven't done shit all year, and it all comes to an end on October 12th. I will make you bleed, and I will put my body through anything, because not only do I have no regard for your own well-being, I sure as hell don't have any for mine, because there's nobody in this business in the last 3 years that has done more than me and bled from state to state like I have. October 12th, there's one place to be, and there's only one main event to see, and that's me and you, House of Horrors, Cerebral, in the Skate Zone, and I guarantee, just like last year I saw it in Synced Redemption, I'm gonna get mine, and I'm gonna get it again, and I'm gonna get your ass, and I'm gonna tear you the fuck apart. And for the first time in months, and for the first time this year, finally, people will hear me again. You will fear me again. And when October 12th is all done, me including, will believe me once more.